After the video of the OPPO Find X9 Pro, I found that OPPO is not only making up for the X5's regret in the appearance, but also making up for the hardware configuration. The X9 Pro, with a value of $5,000, was first taken back for disassembly. The X9 Pro lens deco design is very similar to the X5 Pro. I can only say that it is completely the same. How can I say that there is a man-made money? It turned out to be a man-made sun. The X5 Pro's fire-mounted mouth ceramic one-piece deco can be said to be the top of the OPPO lens design. Let's turn on the camera and look at the screen. Compared to the previous generation of X8s, the brightness is not much different, but the difference in darkness is big. The screen of X9 Pro can directly cover the eMate. Brothers who like to hide in the back room and watch movies are now blessed. How about the rest of the internal hardware configuration? Let's open it directly after heating, open the back cover. You can see that the back cover is made of glass. Now friends like Xiaomi and Huawei are popularizing the wave-shaped back cover. The glass back cover may be said to be used and cherished. And pay attention to the deco. On this lens, it's a cold painted glass with a metal ring. It's beautiful and not easy to break. It's pretty clever. So this is the internal workmanship of the OPPO Find F9 Pro 191 points. How many points can you get? You see, this heat dissipation film can cover the entire battery. There's also a wireless cable with a shock absorber. It looks pretty comfortable. Let's write down the motherboard cover first. Well, this design is very interesting. It's the top speaker that's directly integrated into the motherboard cover. This wireless charging cable is supported by a 50W fast charging. And there's another small point, it's the NFC cable. Compared to the previous position, it's a little bit lower. I don't know if you usually like to brush the card on top or push it back horizontally. Now let's take the camera module down. The main camera this time is a 1.28-inch LYT 828. Compared to the previous generation, the 818 has a stronger HDR algorithm and it supports 3-bar time. That is to say, there is a capture needle at the same time to prevent blurring. There is also a highlight and dark focus to improve the dynamic range. This is a Sony and OPPO depth of field optimization. There are no other 828s. Super wide angle is a 50 million pixel GN5 and it supports wide angle microdynamics. This big guy is the XP5 200 million pixel triple telephoto, and pay attention to it. It is a single reflex telephoto compared to the previous X8 Pro's Taoist telephoto. Its advantage is that the micro drama is better and you can see the X9 Pro's telephoto base. There's also a whole piece of VCE cooling. This time, OPPO seems to be quite interested in the design of heat control. It is the small nose of the small roll on a rolling rack. It is the single shade color reproduction lens of X9 Pro. Mainly used to collect color, the photo will be more reproducible. Then open the cable, remove the motherboard. You can see the corresponding position of the processor. It is connected to the VCE cooling and cooling rule. The motherboard is a double layer deck design. There is a filling cooling rule in the middle of the two main boards. You can see the green in this small hole. In addition, the shield of the motherboard can also be seen on the shield. It's pretty thin. Tear off the heat copper on the screen, wipe off the heat rule. The top one is its LPDDR5X Ultra Flash. The big green one below is this time's Changi 9500. The score is directly over 400,000 points. Now the mobile phone chip is really a bit exaggerated after the motherboard is removed. Let's continue to look at the battery. The battery is a fast release set after removing it. The size is quite large. The thickness is also very exaggerated. The capacity is about 7500 mAh. It's bigger than the Huawei small tablet battery we took a long time ago. It's really less than 2.5 days to use, and it's still a single electric, single enclosure design. The battery life will be longer. The manufacturer is still Dongguan Xintende. Next, we will remove the tail fork part, remove all the screws. The bottom speaker is a full frame design. Let's actually listen to the speaker effect. It's truly been a very long time since I've actually done this. It's been a really long time since I've done, anything like this.
This is the amazing X9 Pro. This specifically what we are discussing.
This is just the
X8 Ultra model. It's
great. Which one do you think is more fun? This is a photo button that can be pressed. You can see that its cable is from the left side. It connects directly to the small backboard with half of the phone. This small board is removed. This time, the limited charging speed is 80W. I don't know how long it will take to charge 7500 mAh. Not yet tested. The motor is taken apart and it is Aeroweight 1/16 size and it's the enhanced version. After adjustment, this is already a big one in the same machine. After all, some people are still using 0809, right? Okay, let's restore the phone. Find S9 Pro this upgrade. I'm most excited about this 7500 mAh battery. It's a pity that I'm a small screen. X9 hasn't come out yet, otherwise I would have changed. If you like small screen, big battery like me, you can also take a look. At OPPO's previous generation of X8s, now the price is also very good. I checked the price of the X8's original second-hand price, which is 2678 yuan. It's cheaper upon launch. A phone undergoes official inspection by the official. Quality assurance. Okay, I'm done. Let's take a comprehensive look at the essential functions of this remarkable camera, the integrated speaker, and the highly responsive screen touch capabilities. For our next video, would you like to watch an immersive movie experience? Not bad at all, it's truly quite good. In fact, it's an incredible virtual reality movie.